Starting around 17 walk 2024 for the most part, spell truly token basically is exchanging at $1013 in term of its erst rate with the value change of 101% in especially most recent 1 hour in a sort of significant manner. Spell has a truly all-out market cap of $137,554,769 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 256, which sort of is genuinely huge. This makes generally spell genuinely token spell exceptionally positioning at 401 in the digital money market in a very enormous manner. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the spell certainly token cost expectation end of 2024, what will spell kind of token in a real sense be certainly worth in 2024 in a kind of large manner? Is really spell sort of token a genuinely wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2024 in a very enormous manner? Will especially spell cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed in every practical sense, high in an unobtrusive way? These certainly are our fundamentally spell pretty symbolic cost expectations for spell's future, which by and large is very critical. Spell fundamentally token spell value expectation 2024 as per the spell pretty symbolic estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the spell cost for the most part is supposed to commonly cross and in every practical sense, normal value level of $0.018, the normal truly least value worth of especially spell kind of token toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $0.018, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides spell can explicitly arrive at a really most extreme value level of $0.01, which by and large is genuinely critical. Spell truly token value estimate walk 2024. In walk 2024, the kind of most extreme cost for basically spell fundamentally token could by and large stretch around $0.014 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of for the most part spell in walk 2024 explicitly is $0.013 within in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.014 in a by and large huge manner. Spell kind of token spell value expectation April 2024. The cost for especially spell in every way that really matters, token in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.014 and $0.015, which basically is very critical. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.014, so for the most part spell truly token spell value expectation 2024 as per the spell fundamentally token estimate cost and specialized examination in 2024 the spell cost generally is supposed to in a real sense cross a kind of normal value level of $0.018, the normal pretty least value worth of essentially spell especially token. Toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $0.018, which truly is very critical. Spell in every practical sense, token value forecast May 2024. The cost of spell commonly token sort of is essentially anticipated to in a real sense reach at a sort of least worth of $0.014 in May 2024. Which by and large is genuinely huge. The spell cost could really arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.015 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.015 all through 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Spell value estimate June 2024. Concerning June 2024, basically spell fundamentally token in a real sense is supposed to arrive at a very least value worth of $0.015 in a by and large significant manner. The spell cost could arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.016 with the typical cost around $0.016 in an in every practical sense enormous way. Spell sort of token value figure July 2024 the for the most part normal cost of in every practical sense. Spell genuinely token spell could truly go to $0.016 toward the finish of July 2024, which sort of is genuinely critical. Spell could sort of exchange around an essentially greatest worth of $0.017 with the extremely least expected cost of $0.015, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell in every practical sense, token value expectation August 2024. The cost of truly spell in every practical sense, token especially is really anticipated to sort of reach at an in every practical sense, least worth of $0.016 in August 2024, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The spell cost could for the most part arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.018 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.016 all through 2024 in a huge manner. Spell value estimate September 2024, with respect to September 2024 sort of spell. Exceptionally token is supposed to especially arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.016, or so they generally thought. The spell cost could for the most part arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.118 with a truly normal cost around $0.17 in an in every way that really matters enormous way. Spell value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of truly spell fundamentally token most certainly is estimated to truly be at around a base worth of $0.17, which basically is very critical. The spell exceptionally token value worth can especially arrive at a limit of $0.09 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.17 and US. Spell really token value gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the greatest cost for basically spell genuinely token could for the most part stretch around $0.00. Besides, the minimum cost of especially spell in November 2024 in a real sense is $0.17 with a truly normal cost of $0.18. Which especially shows that will really spell cost in a real sense outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they explicitly thought. Spell kind of token spell value expectation December 2024. With respect to December 2024, generally spell genuinely token value sort of is figured to explicitly arrive at a kind of the most reduced cost of $0.18, or so they sort of thought. The spell cost could especially arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0.01 with a sort of typical expected cost around $0.18 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell certainly token genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The spell token's cost for the most part has shown a kind of good increment of 379% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, kind of additional appearance how on the off chance that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the spell really token cost expectation end of 2024, what will in a real sense spell commonly token in every practical sense be certainly worth in 2024 in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell commonly token by and large is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. The spell by and large is down to nearly 273% in the very most recent 7 days, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for certainly past, especially couple of days. The coin could generally have serious areas of strength for truly yet we don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in truly present moment, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Spell really token value estimate 2024 facts what will commonly be somewhat spell token especially worth in 2024 in an essentially significant manner. The spell cost especially is estimated to for the most part arrive at a very greatest degree of $0.1 with. Fundamentally is very critical. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, spell most certainly token can truly raise a ruckus around town the greatest cost of $0.87 till 2030 in an exceptionally enormous manner.